Ndewo ndị ọma njem ọnụ, kedu ka unu mere? Eji m n'aka na unu dị mma, eji m n'aka na unu nọ n'udo, ejikwazi m n'aka na unu enweghị nsogbu ọbụla. Aha m bụ Ugbo Igbo, ihe m na-akụzi n'ime YouTube a bụ asụsụ Igbo. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time or stopping by this channel, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red bell subscribe button. Also click on notification bell that pops up just immediately you subscribed, so that YouTube can notify you whenever I post a new videos like this one. In today's video, I'll be telling you top 5 Igbo names that sound so English when they are shortened. Top 5 Igbo names that sound English whenever they are called in their short form. Alright? The first name on my list is Amanda. Yes, Amanda. Amanda can be gotten from a particular Igbo name, which is Chimamanda. Chimamanda. When you remove the Chim, you get Amanda. Alright? Chimamanda. Alright? The second name on my list is Lito. Lito. Lito is coming from the Igbo name Chimkwesilito. Chimkwesilito. So when you remove Kwesi, Chimkwesi, you will now find the word, the name Lito. Lito. Alright? Chimkwesilito. Chimkwesilito. So meaning, my God is worthy to be praised. My God is worthy to be praised. Lito is coming from Chimkwesilito. Okay? So when you remove Chimkwesi, you be leaving the name Lito. Lito. Alright? The third name, number 3, the third name on my list is Zara. Zara. Chim Zaram Ekpere. Chim Zaram Ekpere. My God answered my prayers. Chim Zaram Ekpere. My God answered my prayers. Chim Zaram Ekpere. Zara is from the word Chim Zaram Ekpere. I'm not saying that is only where you get Zara. No, I'm only saying you can find Zara from this Igbo name, Chim Zaram Ekpere. Okay, so when you remove Chim and Ekpere, you find the name Zara. Chim, remove Ekpere, the last one, you will get Zara. Chim Zaram Ekpere. Okay, all right. The fourth name on my list is Zitel. Chim Zitelum, meaning God sent me. Chim Zitelum. Alright, so you see Zitel from the name Chim Zitelum. Alright, when you remove the Chim, you'll be seeing the name Zitel. Alright, Zitel. Chim, when you remove Chim, you see Zitel. Alright? Yes, remove the Chim and the at the end, you find the name Zitel. The fifth one is Zina Chimdi. Show that my God lives. Show that my God lives. Zina Chimdi. So when you remove Chimdi, you get Zina. Okay? When you remove Chimdi from the name Zina Chimdi, you get what? Zina Chimdi. Alright? Okay, let's go back again. I talked about Amanda coming from what? Chimamanda. My God will not fail, or my God will not fall. We talked about the second one, which is Lito, from Chimkwesilito, meaning my God is worthy to be praised. We talked about the third short name that can be gotten from Igbo word, which is what? Zara. Chim zaram ekpere, meaning what? My God answered my prayers. The fourth name is what? Zitel. Zitel, coming from the name Chim zitelum, meaning my God sent me. The fifth name is what? Zina, coming from the Igbo word, meaning coming from the Igbo name, which is what? Zinachimdi. Show that God lives. Show that my God lives. Alright? Okay, loves, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me thumbs up and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Ngwanụ ụmụnne m, abịala m n'isi njedebe ihe dị n'ime onyonyo nke taa. Ọ bụrụ na unu hụrụ onyonyo nke a n'anya, biko zianụ wenyere m isi mkpụrụ aka unu abụọ elu na-asị m ụgbọ oyibo imeela, jidekwa ka iji. Ka Olisa bi n'eluigwe gọzie unu, chekwaba unu, nye unu udo, nye unu akụ na ụba, na-edu unu na njem niile unu ga-aga. Ya gazie.